यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते।
COVID-19 changed the way we work, travel, live, maybe forever. It started from China and grabbed the entire world in its arm. In our own state, Punjab, people were affected, and the impact is growing every day as the numbers are increasing.
Cardiac surgery has faced its own challenges. This being a complex procedure, we always run the risk of life of the patient. What is required is a very accurate and timely intervention. For successful results, there is an absolute need for a well-coordinated team effort in a safe environment.
Maintaining a perfect balance between surgical perfection and preventing spread of virus would be a tough task.
Doctors always have a responsibility, and priority has always been their patient's life.
Government taught us the way to fight this battle by lockdown, social distancing, wearing face masks, hand wash for 20 seconds and use of sanitizer. We strongly advocate this practice to be followed by everybody.
In spite of all of this, the disease is still spreading as we see number of cases rising in our Punjab. But
when going gets tough, the tough gets going. This truly applies to our dedicated team of surgeons, anesthetists, nurses, paramedical staff at Hero Heart Institute who decided to fight the battle of COVID-19.
Basic rules of disciplined lifestyle were strictly followed by all of us, with a special emphasis on personal hygiene, exercise, proper diet, most importantly, a positive attitude.
Our hospital management provided us the best equipment, especially masks, high quality PPE kits, face shields, sanitizers, and most importantly, the best testing facility for COVID-19.
This gave us a great confidence in our team to fight this battle as forefront warriors for the cardiac patient.
During this COVID-19 period, we have been able to perform 172 cardiac surgeries, including all types of rare and complex cases like cardiac rupture, post-tracheostomy tracheoesophageal fistula, aortic dissection, and post-MI VSR, all with a very good result.
We have passion and perseverance to provide quality cardiac surgical services to patients, and we promise to continue the same, and we strive for that.
We continue with the theme of our institute to put the patient first in everything we do.
There is nothing more rewarding than someone who goes out of the way to make life beautiful for others.
We as a team strive for our vision, the best center providing the ethical care with humanitarian touch.
अधिकार है कर्म में ही तेरी शान है, कर्म तेरी पहचान है, बस रिश्तों की मजबूरियां, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या।
Thank you.